I built Lego mini bowling game, complete with pins, a smooth little lane, and even a ball. Let's see if it actually works. Not bad for my first attempt. I am getting better. One more go. Yay, I'm officially a pro now. If you would like to build one too, step-by-step tutorials coming up next. First, I'm building the lane. Simple, flat and smooth enough for the ball to roll straight. Now I'm building a little ramp for the ball. On to next part, building 10 pins. You only need 3 pieces for each. And finally the ball, the most important piece. And here it is, your very own Lego mini bowling game. Simple, fun and easy to build. You can take it on holiday and play with your kids or just challenge yourself to hit all 10 pins. I will be back soon with something new.